Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be talking about one of the hottest stocks this week, Nio. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen how Nio's taken off in the past week, so I don't need to do too much talking. But yeah, before we move on, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for new brand opportunities. And before I do continue, I just want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy stock because I tell you to buy it. Don't sell a stock because I say the stock is not good long term. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before buying or selling a stock. I can't stress this enough. But yeah, let's get into the video now. So company I'm going to be talking about, which I mentioned, is Nio, was sitting at $37.71. And what a week it has been for Nio. Up 37% in the past week, 78% in the past month, 176% in the 3-month chart, and on the yearly chart a whopping 2067%. So yeah, as you may know, Nio stock has taken off, and one of the reasons is they have earnings November 9th. And a lot of people are expecting good things from these earnings. And as you may know, Nio also do have the backing of the Chinese government. And a little bit about the predictions and what people see going forward. People think they're going to double the predictions to around 300,000 by the end of 2021, which is a very optimistic and realistic target at the same time. They're creating new factories, they've got the technology. I think they're trying to expand to Europe now, so I think they're cooking something up in Denmark right now. They think they're trying to build a headquarters there, so this will help them expand into the European countries. And people also do predict that 7% of all electrical vehicle sales will be by Nio in 2025. So that, again, very realistic to me, and I do see the stock 5 or 10x in the next 5 years. And another thing about Nio, is their amazing customer service. So they do battery swap drive-in. So you can just drive in and they just swap your battery for you. Or if your battery does run out on the road, they will come to you and change your battery for you. They'll actually come to where you're at and change your battery for you, which is also very key to the customer service. And the next earnings for Nio are very big. This stock could climb up to $40. As you may know already, JP Morgan did up the stock price to $40, but this was for 2021. However, already looking at $40 just this week. Very soon it could touch $40. It did touch 38, 39 today, so I feel like we're not far off, unless the stock does kind of take a dip again due to all the hype that is priced into the stock price itself. But as I said, the earnings are coming out, and I feel like Nio could be profitable. They could be profitable. They sold 5,055 vehicles in the last month of October 2020, which is very impressive. And this represents 100% year-over-year growth, which is also very impressive. And if you guys haven't known already, I'm pretty sure many of you have heard, JP Morgan's Nick Lay did upgrade it from a hold to a buy, and as I already mentioned, upgraded the stock price from a prediction of $14 to $40, which I feel like Nio will hit very, very, very soon. And Nick Lay also did add that Nio is expected to dominate 30% of the premium passenger EV market, or reach 334,000 units by 2025. And the next big earnings, as I said, November 9th, that's when it's coming out. This has already been priced in. And we also need to think about Nio Day, which is not very far off. I think it is sometime next month. And Nio Day is where they'll talk about the company a bit more. And I think they might also release a new sedan, which will be very key. If people like the look of the sedan, people like what they see, if it's at a good price, if they can improve the battery, improve the mileage, I feel like this will also help the stock climb up as well. People will price this in for the future of Nio. And I feel like for me, I do have a lot of shares in Nio right now, and I do look to add more. The problem is right now the stock just doesn't want to dip. I've been waiting and waiting just for a little dip so I can add more shares, but it doesn't seem to be the case right now. So I feel like it has got a bit more room to run, especially with these two short-term catalysts. However, I will be looking out for any dips to add more to my position. But I feel like with the growth potential Nia has, it has run a bit this week. I was saying look for any slight dips, but personally it won't hurt too much to add at this price, even though it's not recommended. But I feel like some of you you've seen the upside of Nio, and I feel like, you know, waiting for that $1-2 dip is not gonna hurt if you're not, if you feel like the stock could run away. You know, it could go either way. It could run away, it could take a slight pullback, but you've got to remember it is a Chinese company, and I feel like a lot of people were reluctant to invest in Nio before because of China's relationship with the USA. But now, knowing that Nio's got the backing of the Chinese government, they don't need to rely on the USA to produce their vehicles, to make their sales. Nio, as you can see, are strongly independent. So yeah, as I said, I'll be adding more shares when I can. Nio is one to watch for the future. It has got great potential and has taken off very quickly. So yeah, if you do have any questions on Nio, just pop it down in the comment section below. We plugged our socials as well, so do message us. You can message us on Instagram. Make sure you follow the page too. We'll be happy to answer your queries. But yeah, like the video, subscribe, hit that noti bell, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be back with our next video soon.